Tengo que cortar más gramas.
Acabo de tumbar una rama bien grande que poner las luces. Y aquí me está llegando. Bonitita. Bueno, su trabajo le estoy pagando, pero no tenemos.
Housecleaning.com and you can post needs. Hi, this is Perela from housecleaning.com. Cleaning for Christmas. Vacuuming all the edges of the furniture. She already put Blake's coat there. Monica really likes to organize. She's really good in organizing and decoration. If you need our cleaning services, just call us at 407-572-4118. Come on. Hi, this is Ferela from Any House Cleaning. For all your cleaning needs, decoration for Christmas or after party, just call us at 407-572-4118. We already reorganized the house, put the tree, decorate a little bit, vacuum, reorganize. Everything is neat and clean. 407-572-4118. Thank you for watching us. Bye.